Come on in. You go off on yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Don't that look good?
Wow.
Oh, he's fine. It's just a little dust. Yeah, she's not messing it up.
I am speechless. It looks so good.
It looks amazing.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Wow.
Finally,
Yes. I know, like a house.
like a house again.
That's one of my best reactions when we're done with the floor. People say it finally feels like a house.
Yes, it feels, yes.
Yes.
It is all coming together.
Wow.
We've been through a lot.
Yep. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is July the 12th. So I just got through doing, I just came from Douglasville. I did an in-home consultation, went very well. They thought they would need a full sand, but we ended up going with a screen and recoat UV cure. So this is a sanding job, guys, that I did an in-home consultation about a month ago. She booked on the spot, but they had to get some more work done in the house. My sanding crew came in yesterday. They did the full sanding. And guys, I'm going to show you these floors before. So what I'm going to do now is put down the last coat, which is just going to be the rad coat, and then the UV cure, because she did go with the UV cure. So let me flip this around, guys. All right, so I am in the Atlanta area, kind of like closer to the West End. These parts of Atlanta, guys, are really growing. So this is my client, Becky. Becky, again, had me come out and do an in-home consultation. And guys, again, this floor came out amazing. I love the stain. I mean, just a beautiful, beautiful floor. It is an older floor. They have a lot of squeaking. She said, Courtney, just do you guys do the best you can. And actually, this was a different floor, and they tried to make it, you know, there was a different floor, but it was also stained. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and smooth this floor down. I'm going to hit it with 180 grit, and then I'm going to put down the rad coat and then let that dry, and then do the UV cure. Also, I'm going to be working tomorrow. I also have a screen and recoat tomorrow with the UV cure. I booked a screen and recoat with UV cure for Monday, plus the countertops. They found me on Google, watched some of my videos, sent me pictures this morning. Did never go out and do an in-home consultation. So Monday morning, I have a quartz countertop to do for a client. We did his floors about 3 weeks ago in Alpharetta, and then we're gonna go do the screen and recoat, UV cure and countertops in Flowery Branch. All right, guys, go ahead and get my equipment out. Go ahead and get these floors screened down. As you can see, it is a beautiful day today. And all right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, I got these floors buffed down. All we're doing is just buffing down the second coat before applying the third coat. You want to do that first to ensure that you get some good adhesion. It has been over 12 hours. And second of all, you don't want to stack too many coats on top of each other without buffing in between. So like when you guys see me do screen and recoats, you don't really have to buff in between coats, because we're usually just either putting 1 to maybe 2 coats. But when you start getting into like a stain, a seal, then 2 coats, you want to buff it down so the floors are nice and smooth and you don't have too much bill coat where it makes the floors easy to, you know, leave scratches and scuff marks and things like that. So that's all I did, lightly buffed it down. I used a 180 grit, and that makes the floors nice and smooth. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is shake up my rag coat, ready to use. This is not a two-part, this is a special polyurethane that can only be UV cured, and that's what the client is paying for. So I'm gonna go ahead and I like to break open the seal first because I want to rock it back and forth for about 30 to 45 seconds, and then take the cap off and let it rest while I'm vacuuming, and then apply the rag coat. All right, guys. I got the rag coat going down. Got the 3 bedrooms done. I went on to order me some lunch from DoorDash. That's one thing I love about DoorDash. Sometimes I just have it delivered to the house. If my clients are present, I will ask them for permission, so they'll know that someone's going to be pulling up in their yard. All right, guys, I'm getting this rag coat down. It's going down really well. And then I'm going to go enjoy my lunch, and come back and UV cure. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, time for UV cure. Look how beautiful these floors are now. And I will say they are so nice and smooth. That's why I buffed them down, not just to make sure I get some good adhesion with my 3rd coat, but also smooth that floor out. Because when you fully sand the floor and you put the finish down, sometimes it raises the grain of the wood. So it felt really rough when I first came in here, and that's another reason of buffing that floor down, is to get that grain raise knocked down. And the floors are nice and smooth now. Oh, look at that, guys. That rag coat went down amazing. Oh, that looks beautiful. No lap lines. Beautiful. And the floors are going to be even smoother after I get them UV cured. So my client told me that she's only about 20 minutes away. So I'm going to go ahead and start UV curing. Sometimes these older houses, breakers, and sometimes even the newer houses is too. All right, guys, go ahead and call my client Becky so she can head over. Stay tuned. Come on in. You go offer? Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Don't that look good?
Wow.
Oh, it's fine. It's just a little dust. Yeah, she's not messing it up.
I am speechless. It looks so good.
It looks amazing.
Oh my god.
Yep.
Wow.
Finally, the house
Yes.
is looking
I know, like a house.
like a house again.
Oh my god.
That's one of my best reactions when we're done with the floor. People say it finally feels like a house.
Yes, it feels, yes.
Yes.
It is all come together.
Wow.
We've been through a lot.
Yep. I've been hearing that all week with a lot of move-ins, and they're like, Courtney, you just bring it just
Yes.
yeah, just make it just feel so much better.
You gotta do a full electrical rewire.
Wow. Oh yeah, I saw the old man. See, you know, these homes have a lot of history.
Yes.
I saw that old electrical system downstairs.
Yes.
You know, you're not gonna take that out. You're just gonna leave it up.
Yes, yeah, we're
Cause that is, man, that's
yes.
pretty neat.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep. So what I'm doing now is UV curing. So this instantly cures the finish because you know you did pay for the UV cure.
Yes.
You know, it's just a little dust, but yeah. But this floor, man, you know, these are 2 different floors, but I love the patterns and yeah, this is 2 different floors. Cause you see how this one has more carrot? Yeah.
That's so. What wood is that compared to?
I don't know. I'm gonna ask Raphael what type of wood is this. The one thing about this wood, it has. You guys come on in. It's all, yeah. It has a lot of character. I mean, just look at some of these boards. I'm gonna ask Raphael what type of, because you can really see because this floor is painted, or you know whatever they had on it, but you can really see the true beauty of this floor now.
This house would have like different wood floors.
Yep. Well, what
Different upstairs too, I think.
Yeah.
it is.
Oh yeah, you were
I think it's red in my house.
I think I did go up there, but yeah, all through here. So this side of the house, all this is the same wood, and then that in there, yep, it's different. Yeah, look at this board right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool board. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like,
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you.
so beautiful. Oh, and the crew yesterday was amazing.
Thank you. Yo, yeah, I get good compliments from my
Oh
crew.
my God.
I think you're like the first professional we've worked with since we
This
started
entire
doing
process.
I greatly appreciate that. I greatly appreciate that. That's my number one thing is customer service.
Yes.
Customer
Oh my God.
service.
They
Yep.
were here at 8:30 and did not leave until 9:30.
Yep.
It was done.
Yep.
It was amazing.
Because they knew they had to have it ready for me for today for the third coat and the UV cure. Wow. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. My client, Mr. and Mrs. Beck, are very, very, very satisfied with the floors. So their house is really starting to feel like a home now. And thanks to the Truman team. Guys, I've been hearing that all week. I heard that yesterday from the job that we did in Loganville. They say, Courtney, we finally like our house now. So, and that was Mr. Bob and his wife. So anyway, guys, it's gonna do it. Shout out again to my sanding crew, did an amazing job. So these floors right here are hickory, and the other floors on this side of the house is oak. So this oak, that's oak, and then the ones here in the bedroom are hickory. That's why they have those really cool, unique patterns that I really, really love. Birch has a lot of characteristics to it as well. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it. Tomorrow, I have a screen recoat with UV Cure in Decatur, and we have a full schedule for the next 2 weeks. My sanding guy, Aaron, one of my other sanding guys, is starting a sanding job for a guest house in Buckhead on Monday. And I have a countertop to do on Monday morning in Alpharetta, and a wood floor screen and recoat with UV Cure and countertops and Flyer Branch that came through today. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.